we are pleased to report a return to form for Oxford Metrics, with a strong full-year performance following last year's pandemic-impacted trading. Without exception, the key financial metrics of the business have all improved: revenues, profits, and cash generation. We also continue to enhance the quality of our earnings by increasing our annually recurring revenues over the year. We now have over 10,000 customers in 70+ countries, including all 10 of the world's top 10 games companies and all 20 of the top 20 universities worldwide. Having shown our resilience and successfully navigated the challenges of the past 18 months, our focus is now firmly on the future. With accelerating market trends and our strongest ever platform, now is the time to drive further growth through our new 5-year plan. As we emerge from the pandemic, something fundamental is changing in our markets and in our opportunity. We are seeing an acceleration of the augmented age, an era where machines and humans partner to accomplish what neither can achieve alone. For this augmented partnership between human and machine to work, we need technologies which have the ability to perceive us and our surroundings. They must be able to capture and understand every dimension of our world in real time. This requires integrated smart sensing systems, such as the ones we offer, where cameras and other sensors are deeply coupled with powerful software to enable machines to transparently enhance our lives. Such integrated smart sensing solutions look after the full life cycle of the data, from imagery to insight, from pixel to purpose, from sensing to sense-making, just as we have always done. And now we aim to lead this important and expanding category in those end markets we already understand well. To achieve this vision and drive growth over the next 5 years, we'll focus on 3 key initiatives. 1, we will extend our sensing capabilities to expand the applicability of our solutions. 2, we will enhance the analysis we can undertake to broaden the range of applications where our systems can be used. Our recent acquisition of Contemplas is an excellent example of this. And 3, as we can't serve all markets directly, we will look to embed our technology in other firms' solutions and thus gain indirect access to this profit pool. Through these 3 growth mechanisms, we have 2 specific financial aims. Firstly, we seek to increase revenues 2.5 times by the end of the 5-year period. And secondly, we aim to return the group to our historic 15% adjusted profit by the end of the plan. With these aims, and through this 5-year plan, we will leverage the visible strengths of our existing business to ride the accelerating market trends, and thus become a bigger business, both in terms of revenues and profits, delivering further shareholder value. As we look to the year ahead, both divisions have experienced a strong start to the new fiscal year, with key demand metrics pointing to a positive outlook. At Vicon, we start the new financial year with a revenue pipeline for the first half, which is at least 20% ahead of this time last year, and with an unprecedented level of orders in hand. However, as in many industries, Vicon continues to experience short-term supply chain challenges arising from the well-publicised semiconductor shortage. Whilst there has been some improvement in recent months, the board believe revenues in the first half may be affected. But we remain well prepared to manage this industry-wide challenge and anticipate that any impact will result in revenue being delayed into the second half rather than being lost. Overall, the fundamentals at Vicon remain positive, and we are well placed to capitalise on the substantial market opportunity ahead. Turning to Yotta, we start the year with a strong sales pipeline, consistent with adding at least £1.2 million of gross additions in recurring revenue during the year. With this anticipated growth and a stable cost base, Yotta can look forward to another full year of profitability. The group starts the year in good financial health, with accelerating positive market trends and a clear plan for growth. Over the years, Oxford Metrics has proven to be a successful builder of high-value R&D-led businesses. Now, we aspire to do this on a larger scale by leveraging proven core processes, a shared vision, and a collective culture. And we invite you to join us on that journey.